Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Vault using Kubernetes auth method step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have a running instance of HashiCorp Vault. Confirm that Kubernetes is properly configured in your environment. Log into your Vault server using the command line interface. Next, enable the Kubernetes authentication method in Vault. Use the command vault auth enable Kubernetes. Now, gather your Kubernetes cluster information. Retrieve the Kubernetes API server URL. You can find this information in your Kubernetes configuration file. Next, retrieve the service account token from a running pod. You can use kubectl get secret to list the secrets in your namespace. Identify the secret associated with the service account. Now, decode the service account token. Run the command kubectl get secret name ojohnpath equals .data.token base64 decode. With this token in hand, you can configure your Vault authentication. Set the Kubernetes auth method with the command vault write auth /kubernetes/config. Include the Kubernetes API server URL and the token. Now, specify the CA certificate if your Kubernetes cluster uses one. Enable the role in Vault that maps to your Kubernetes service account. Use the command vault write auth /kubernetes/role name. Set the appropriate policies for the role. Now, it's time to test the authentication. Create a pod in your Kubernetes cluster that uses the specified service account. Inside the pod, install the Vault CLI if it's not already there. Set the Vault_ADDR environment variable to your Vault server's address. Next, attempt to authenticate using the Vault token. Use the command vault auth login method equals Kubernetes. Provide the service account token you decoded earlier. If successful, Vault will return a client token. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.